Meaning of doer.
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 Doer. The term doer refers to someone who takes action and accomplishes tasks or goals. A doer is often characterized as proactive, driven, and motivated to get things done. By contrast, a non-doer may be passive, indecisive, or lack initiative. In short, being a doer means being an individual who takes responsibility for their actions and strives to achieve their objectives. The results of being a doer can include personal satisfaction, professional success, and a reputation for dependability and efficiency. It can also lead to increased confidence and opportunities for growth and advancement.